What if I told you that some cars on the road today have crossed 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, and in at least one legendary case, a full million miles, and are still running without missing a beat? It sounds like a myth, but it's not. These vehicles exist, and real owners, real mechanics, and generations of drivers have put them through everything imaginable to prove it. Today, we're counting down the 12 cars that simply never break down. These aren't just reliable, they're the kind of vehicles that outlast loans, outlast marriages, and sometimes outlast the owners who bought them new. From family haulers to off-road legends to luxury sedans that redefine what a car can be, this list covers the absolute best of the best. We're counting from 12 all the way down to number 1, the most indestructible car ever built. Stay with me because some of these picks are going to surprise you. Number 12, the Honda Odyssey. Let's open with a family classic that's been quietly earning its reputation since 1994. The Honda Odyssey doesn't get the same street cred as sports cars or off-road legends, but talk to any mechanic who sees high-mileage vehicles regularly, and the Odyssey's name comes up again and again. The 2022 model scores an impressive 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power, and countless owners have pushed their Odysseys past the 300,000-mile mark with nothing more than routine maintenance. Low ownership costs, strong resale value, and a smooth, comfortable ride for the whole family. This minivan punches well above its weight class in the reliability department. If you're shopping used, the 2017 through 2021 models are considered the sweet spot. They represent the most refined, most dependable versions of an already dependable vehicle. For families who need a car that will genuinely go the distance, the Odyssey is a winner. Number 11, the Mazda Miata. Here's proof that a sports car doesn't have to be a money pit. The Mazda Miata has been turning heads and racking up miles since its debut in 1989, and its secret weapon is simplicity. No overwrought technology, no unnecessarily complex systems, just a lightweight, well-engineered roadster built to be driven and driven hard. The NC generation in particular is praised for its build quality and long-term durability. RepairPal gives it a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating, above average for the entire automotive industry, with average annual repair costs of just $429. That's remarkably affordable. Owners regularly report their Miatas running smoothly past 200,000 miles. Parts are widely available and servicing is straightforward. If you want a sports car that won't punish your bank account for the next decade, the Miata is your answer. Number 10, the Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy doesn't get nearly enough credit. It's one of the most underrated, reliable vehicles on the market, a car that combines genuine all-weather capability with long-term durability and an enjoyable driving experience. The fourth-generation models, particularly the 2004 through 2009 range, are held in especially high regard. The 3.0-liter flat-six engine, producing 245 horsepower, is a mechanical highlight, robust, well-built, and capable of serious mileage when properly maintained. The 2006 and 2007 model years are considered the most reliable of the generation. A note of caution, later models with CVT transmissions had mixed results, so if you're buying used, stick to the earlier manual or traditional automatic configurations. Get the right model year, maintain it properly, and the Legacy will reward you with years of dependable, fun-to-drive performance. Number 9, the Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a sedan that simply refuses to quit, powered by a 2.5-liter engine delivering up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, or a turbocharged variant pushing 250 horsepower for those who want performance alongside reliability. This is a car that proves you don't have to choose between efficiency and longevity. The 6-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and contributes to the drivetrain's long-term health. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system actively protects the tires and suspension over time. The high-strength steel frame makes it structurally durable and safer in the process. Here's the number that really stands out. With proper care, the Mazda 6 has been documented running up to 600,000 miles. That's not a typo. For a family sedan, that kind of ceiling is extraordinary, and it makes the Mazda 6 one of the smartest long-term investments in this segment. Number 8, the Ford F-150. No list of the most reliable vehicles ever built is complete without the F-150. America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades didn't earn that title by accident. It earned it by being genuinely, consistently tough. The 2011 and 2012 models introduced the EcoBoost V6, delivering real power with improved fuel efficiency. The 2018 and 2019 models brought aluminum body panels that dramatically reduce weight and eliminate rust concerns over long-term ownership. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine in these trucks has a strong durability track record, and J.D. Power consistently ranks the F-150 at the top of their dependability studies. Whether you're using it for hard work, long hauls, or daily driving, the F-150 is an American workhorse that has earned its legendary status one hard mile at a time. Number 7. The Chevrolet Suburban. If you need space, capability, and longevity in a single package, the Chevrolet Suburban has been delivering exactly that since 1935, making it the longest-running nameplate in automotive history. The current generation offers 3 engine choices: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8. The diesel option is the standout for long-term ownership efficiency, delivering up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for a vehicle this size. Cargo space tops out at an enormous 144.7 cubic feet with the seats folded. For the most reliable version, look for the final model year of any given generation. That's when the engineering has been most refined. The 2024 model scores 78 out of 100 with J.D. Power, and real-world owners consistently praise its durability over high mileage. When you need an SUV big enough for everything and tough enough to handle it for decades, the Suburban delivers. Number 6. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Built between 1984 and 1995, the W124 represents Mercedes-Benz at their absolute engineering finest, a period when the brand's philosophy wasn't about maximizing profit margins, but about building the best possible car regardless of cost. The result is a vehicle that mechanics and automotive historians alike describe as nearly indestructible. Many W124 models have exceeded 500,000 miles on nothing more than basic, consistent maintenance. The diesel engines are especially legendary for their durability, but every version of this car was built with a level of over-engineering that simply doesn't exist in modern automotive production. It's also one of the most accessible ways to own a Mercedes with genuine long-term reliability, without the crippling maintenance costs that come with newer luxury vehicles. The W124 is proof that they genuinely don't build them like they used to. Number 5. The Toyota Camry. Few vehicles in automotive history have earned reliability credentials as consistently as the Toyota Camry. For decades, it has been the benchmark against which every other family sedan is measured, and for good reason. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower and the 3.5-liter V6 are both engineered with longevity as a primary design goal. The front-wheel drive and smooth 8-speed automatic transmission contribute to a drivetrain that ages exceptionally well. Fuel economy reaches 28 city and 39 miles per gallon, reducing strain on the engine over hundreds of thousands of miles. With proper care, the Camry has been documented lasting over 600,000 miles. Combined with low maintenance costs and Toyota's industry-leading parts availability, the Camry is quite simply one of the safest long-term automotive investments you can make. Number 4. The Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a car that has quietly built one of the most impressive long-term reliability track records in the industry. Ask any mechanic, any used car specialist, or any owner who has put serious miles on one, the Accord just keeps going. Owners routinely report their Accords running well past 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The engines are robust, the components are built to last, and Honda's engineering philosophy prioritized longevity over cutting costs with cheap materials or undersized parts. It's the rare combination of reliability and enjoyment that keeps Honda Accord owners coming back generation after generation. Number 3. The Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner occupies a category entirely its own. In a market that has moved almost entirely to car-based crossovers, the 4Runner has held firm with its body-on-frame construction, the same fundamental architecture that makes serious trucks so durable, and the results speak for themselves. Owners consistently report 300,000-mile lifespans with minimal major repairs. The legendary 22RE engine is considered one of the most reliable plant powers ever produced. The body-on-frame build handles rough roads, harsh weather, and heavy use without the structural fatigue that eventually compromises unibody vehicles. The 4Runner also holds its resale value better than almost any other SUV on the market, a direct reflection of how much the market trusts its long-term durability. For off-road capability paired with exceptional longevity, nothing touches it. Number 2. The Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is more than a vehicle, it's a global institution. With over 10 million units sold across more than 170 countries, it has proven its durability in every climate, every terrain, and every condition imaginable. The UN uses them, militaries use them, remote communities around the world depend on them because no other vehicle is trusted to perform so reliably in places where a breakdown isn't just an inconvenience, it's a life or death situation. With proper maintenance, Land Cruisers regularly reach hundreds of thousands of miles, and some have crossed the million-mile mark. Annual maintenance costs average around $800, reasonable for a vehicle of this capability and caliber. Its reliability score of 83 out of 100 from industry analysts reflects a decades-long track record of exceptional dependability. Yes, the Land Cruiser is expensive, but it's one of those rare vehicles where the price is fully justified by what you actually get. 1. Lexus LS 400. And the number one car that simply never breaks down, the Lexus LS 400. When the Lexus LS 400 launched in 1989, it didn't just enter the luxury sedan market, it fundamentally disrupted it. Toyota engineered this vehicle with a level of precision and quality that shocked the established luxury brands. It was quieter, smoother, more reliable, and significantly more affordable to maintain than anything from Europe at the time. The automotive world took notice immediately. Under the hood sits a V8 engine that has become one of the most celebrated power plants in automotive history, not for its raw performance numbers, but for its extraordinary longevity. The engine is genuinely built to run for decades. Auto journalist Matt Farah famously drove his LS 400 to 1 million miles. 1 million! And he documented the journey to prove it. That isn't a fluke, it's the result of an engineering philosophy that prioritized doing everything right over doing everything cheaply. Ownership costs are surprisingly modest, maintenance is straightforward, and the interior remains one of the most comfortable, refined cabins of its era, a genuinely luxurious experience that holds up beautifully across high mileage. If you want a vehicle that will never let you down, never drain your bank account with surprise repairs, and deliver a level of quality that most modern cars can't match at any price, the Lexus LS 400 is the answer. It is, without question, the greatest long-lasting car ever built. That's the definitive countdown of the 12 cars that simply never break down, from the Honda Odyssey's family-friendly durability all the way to the million-mile legend that is the Lexus LS 400. These vehicles prove that when manufacturers get it right, a car isn't just transportation, it's a lifetime investment. If this list helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. We break down real-world reliability every single week. Check the link below for our deep dive into the least reliable cars that won't even survive 40,000 miles. I'll see you in the next one.